Most teams optimize their marketing around conversions. That makes sense on the surface. Conversions are the outcomes we care about. But here's the problem. Conversions happen at the end of the customer journey, and learning systems don't learn well from outcomes alone. Algorithms need signals before the outcome happens, not after. Conversion data is sparse. Most people who interact with your brand never convert, at least not right away. That means the system only gets a small number of yes signals and a very large number of nothing happened signals. Sparse data slows learning. On top of that, conversion data is delayed. By the time a conversion occurs, the system is reacting to something that already happened. It's not learning what led to it. When you rely primarily on conversions, you're teaching the model after the fact. You're saying, this worked, but you're not saying why it worked. Learning systems don't just need outcomes. They need patterns. They need to understand which behaviors tend to show up before someone becomes a customer. Ad platforms don't actually infer intent from conversions alone. They infer intent from behavior. They look at things like how people engage, what they explore, how they move through content, how their behavior clusters over time. Conversions alone just confirm the outcome. Behavior teaches the system. Imagine two users. Neither one of them converts yet, but user A visits multiple pages, watches most of the key video, returns to the site a few days later. User B lands on one page, scrolls briefly, leaves, and never comes back. If you're only looking at conversion data, these two users look identical to the system. But behaviorally, they're completely different. One shows high intent, the other doesn't. Conversion-only reporting treats them exactly the same. So the job isn't to track conversions better. The job is to teach the system what leads to conversion. That means identifying the behaviors that signal interest, consideration, and readiness, and feeding those signals back into the learning system. If you only feed outcomes, you starve the model. Learning systems don't improve by starting at the finish line. They improve by understanding the path that gets people there. Algorithms need signals, not just results.